How's it going, everybody? My name is George from Vegas Must Try, and today we're doing something a little bit different in the channel. If you look up at the top, we're here at the Stratosphere, one of the landmarks here in Vegas, and they have 3 rides up there. We're gonna do all of them, and I'm gonna let you know whether they're a must or a bust. So if you're an adrenaline junkie or you just like really nice views, this video is just for you. Coming up. So when you first come into the Stratosphere, it's located on the 2nd floor, so look for the stairs right away. And that should take you to the marketplace, which should then take you to where the rides and all that stuff is. So they don't allow any recordings of any kinds while you're on the rides. And luckily I have this GoPro right here that I'm gonna be syncing in with me as many rides as I can, so you can get a better point of view of what you'll be seeing when you ride these rides. Alright, so this is the sky jump. We're not doing this one today, although I have done it in the past. You basically jump from the very top of the Stratosphere. They have a chicken hat there in case you don't want to do it. They put that on you if you back out, but that would be for another video. This is a new thing, the VR rides. You put those headsets on, and then you ride a roller coaster or some sort. So this is $15 for one person, $20 for 2 people. They have about 80 something rides that you can select. That's interesting. That's kind of new. I didn't see it last time I came. Open from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. and if you buy a tower pass, it's good for the whole day. And I believe it's the same thing for the wristband, which is the tower ride plus 3 rides. So there's the strip, and then there's Yuri. And that's the Fountainbleu, or formerly known as Fountainbleu. They just recently changed the name. It went dark in 2008, and it's just been a big blob of huge building just doing nothing there. This one is the Extreme. So look, it's like a seesaw, but it pushes you all the way to the edge, then it goes right back. So we're here at Insanity, the ride. So look, first this claw pulls out. And then it starts spinning. Slingshot. I forgot the actual name for it, but I mean, you kind of know what it is. Oh wait, it's done.
Welcome to the Big Shot, the world's highest thrill ride. For your own personal safety, please keep your hands back against the headrest at all times. Once again, place your heads against the headrest while the ride is in motion. Smile for the cameras and enjoy your ride. thank you for riding the Big Shot. Remember to pick up your personal.
Right, so I did all 3 rides, and if I had to rate them, I would say that Insanity, which is the one that spins, is probably the coolest one for me. It spins relatively fast, and it makes you look down the whole way. It's kind of nerve-wracking the whole time. I would say that Big Shot is actually pretty cool. That would be probably my favorite if it did more than 1 shot. But that 1 shot really did scare the hell out of me. And then the last one would be the Extreme. It's that rocket that shoots back and forth, kind of like a seesaw. It does it 4 times, and I recommend that if you do it, you're at the very front. But I know there's a lot of Groupon packages and a lot of other offers that just have 1 ticket admission with 2 rides. If you had only 2 rides, I would say to go Insanity and Big Shot. That's going to be probably the best bang for your buck if you're looking for something close to like a Six Flags ride or something like that. Also, if I can share a pro tip with you guys, is to find someone that is from Vegas or from Nevada. A Nevada ID will give you $5 to $10 off of the tower admission plus the rides. But for example, $30 is the cost for the general admission. But if you're from Nevada, it costs $20. So definitely keep your options open. Look on Groupon, look on other sources. This is definitely worth it. This is a Vegas must try, but you gotta be a little smart about it. All right, so that's it for this video. We're gonna go eat. We're starving. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions about the Stratosphere or Vegas in general, make sure to comment down below. Until next time, peace.